Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to be shooting my Formula XD with Axia limbs, but then trying out how it shoots with the Velos, and then I'll be picking up my Formula XI and putting the Axia limbs on that riser and see how it shoots. For both of them though, we will be first shooting them in their original configuration, so the XD riser with the Axia limbs here, and then the Formula XI with the Velos limbs, followed by switching the limbs out. Hopefully I can give you guys an idea on how the feeling of the bow changes based on the limbs. And if you're on the fence, maybe you can't afford to buy a new riser and new limbs, because it is a good good amount of money. Maybe if you're just looking for limbs because you have an older generation, is there a noticeable difference between the Axia limbs or the Velos limbs I have here? First off, Formula XD with Axia limbs. Alright, nice, smooth. Again, there is less left to right with these limbs. We'll see if it translates over to the XI, but same shot feel that I've been feeling since the day I strung this bad boy up. So pretty sweet, but that is our baseline for the XD riser. So we'll see how the riser reacts now with the Velos limbs on it instead of the Axia. And we're back with some Velos limbs on the Formula XD. The neat thing is I actually got to shoot this configuration for quite a while, about a month or so, before my Axia limbs came in. So I got a pretty good feel with this bow, and we'll shoot it. We'll shoot it now, and I'll continue my talking about it in a moment. It still feels pretty good. Like, it still feels pretty good. We'll shoot another one for kicks, because this is the this is the test. The other setup was the control. So one more. It does feel a little more springy. It does feel a little less, I guess you would say, stiff, but it really works out as into smooth. So it's this Velos limb is definitely not as stiff as the Axia. Speed-wise, they seem to be basically the same, which is great. For me, I like the Axia limb being more rigid. It works out to being like a smoother shot for me as an archer. Don't know if that's everybody's take. But the Velos limbs aren't bad in the Formula XD. I really think the XD riser really contributes a lot to to helping out the limb, taking out those unnecessary vibrations, and giving you a nice clean response to your shot, so you can kind of feel what's going on. Still feels good. I would shoot it in a tournament with this setup. If I had to choose, I would still put the Axia limbs in over the Velos. I really do think the Axia is a better limb. But let's try the Formula XI now. We'll try it with the Velos limbs first, and then go from there. And we have the XI with the Velos limbs assembled again. And the neighbors are wanting to cut their grass, so let's see. All right, so we have the Formula XI with the Velos limbs now. Let's give it a shot and see how it goes. All right, not bad. We'll try it with the Axia now, but I don't know. The Velos actually they do feel better on the XD. It's not terrible. Like, I could definitely shoot this in a tournament, but now that the new one's better. But we'll see. We will see. Maybe the new Axia limbs will breathe some new life into the XI, and we'll find out in a moment once I take it apart. Oh, Axia limbs look pretty slick on the red XI here. Not too shabby in terms of style points. You could definitely get some extra style points with it. All right, let's see. Huh. You know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. There's definitely excess vibration, but there really is an improvement in the limbs. Ah. Again, definitely feels a little bit stiffer, but seems to translate into it being smoother. And I like it. I like it. The way to go for me is still going to be Formula XD with the Axia limbs, but if you have an XI, some Axia limbs, that's not too bad of a combo. If I could only buy one of the two, trying out both of the new products, I'd probably still go with the XD riser over the limbs, just because for me, I really like the dampening. Those 360 dampeners are nice, and I like the new Perfect Balance weight system. I've been using it. I've been playing around with it. There might be some cool stuff in the future. We'll see though, coming from us. Sure Shot Archery, that is, not Hoyt. I just buy their products and then shoot them for you guys. But yeah, well, thank you to the subscriber that actually emailed me saying, hey, why don't you do a test like this? And I was like, you know what? I haven't tried all those combinations yet. Might as well give it a try. So thank you. I really appreciate the feedback. If you have any other things you want me to test, let me know. Review will probably be next weekend. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, happy shooting.